Welcome to Blonde Cards and Crafts. Let's make something together. Hello crafters and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome back if you're a subscriber. Today I'm going to be unboxing this. It's the Papercraft Society box number 41 and it's Chloe's Creative Cards. Inside, when you open it up, you'll receive a wallet. And on that wallet, it will have the details of what Papercraft Society box it is, as well as some tissue paper with other goodies. I'm going to leave that for a little while. We're going to have a look and dive straight in to the wallet. I hope you'll excuse my voice. I'm suffering from the end of a head cold, so please bear with me. Okay, so inside we are encouraged to share our makes with the hashtag Papercraft Society. So if you share any of your makes on social media, do use the hashtag Papercraft Society. So we get some dies, we get some stamps, and we get some other goodies in here. First off, I'm going to look at the dies. I'm going to take a piece of white cardstock from my stash so we can have a better look at the dies. Now you can see here we get 3 lovely size flowers. We get 2 leaves and a sprig. We also get these 2 panels. The panels, the die will die cut out the whole panel, you can see here. It'll put stitched lines around this panel, which will partly cut out some images from our cardstock. And then we have a smaller one here as well, imitating the same there. I love that. So a real handy die set to have. Next, I want to look at the stamp set. So here you can see we have 3 flowers, and the dies that we got will work with these flowers. We have this lovely stamped leaf. We have this piece here. We have these 2 leaves and this here, as well as 2 more up here. So lots of leaves for stamping with. We get the sentiment sending a little sparkle and happy birthday. We get this stamp here, and I think that this stamp, yeah, it actually, these corner panels here and here are separate. So this one comes away and that one comes away. And then we have this stamp in the middle. Hope lots of lovely surprises are coming your way to make your birthday a lovely day. And it's always nice to get a stamp, which is a sentiment for the inside of our cards. Because important as the outside is, it's lovely to have something to go inside. So I love that. And these would be great to embellish the corners of our card. I love this little panel. I think it would make a nice stamped image that you could repeat. Especially if you have a stamping platform, that would make it even handier. So there are the stamps that came in the kit. I'll put them back in here. And then we'll look at this. So this is our pattern paper. And it also looks like we get some silver die cuts. We do. We get 2 panels. And these have die cuts on them. You can just pop them out and add them onto your card. And there's loads of them there to embellish a card front. We also get some pattern paper. And this is like a pearlescent pattern paper. It's double-sided. It's quite thick. I'd say this is about 260, 270 GSM. And I really love it. I'm going to be so hard pushed to decide which side I really like. But I have to say the flowers are beautiful. And then we have this color wash, and I love the tones that's on this. So absolutely beautiful. All of this cardstock, the 4 sheets that we get, are opalescent. So we have again this repeating floral pattern, and again another color wash in greens and blues. Another beautiful panel, and I love this color wash on the back here. And then this one is like leaves and branches with flowers, and again another color wash on the back. So some great pattern paper, some pop-out die cuts, dies and stamps in the wallet for us today. So now I'm going to have a look at what comes inside the tissue paper. Now I've taken these out of the tissue paper because I didn't want all the noise of the crinkling paper. I use mine for if I want to decorate a package or a gift, so it's always handy. You can indeed use it in your paper crafting as well. So we get a pot of silver glitter, and I think that's to go with the silver pop-out die cuts that we got. We get some lovely organza ribbon in white, but it's a very see-through white ribbon. And I do believe that you can color these using your ink markers, etc. So another nice addition. We get this mini embossing folder and this other embossing folder. I'm just looking for my ruler so I can measure it. So this one is, it's just over 5 3/4, 5 7/8, but I think it'll comfortably give you a 5 3/4 panel by 2 inches, and that's lovely. This one is about, it measures just about 1 7/8, but I'd say your panel will be 1 3/4 by again 1 3/4. So 2 nice little embossing folders. You could fussy cut around this and add it as a corner, or like a photo corner. You could do it in vellum or cardstock. Again, it's always nice to have little embossing folders. We get a booklet, I'm going to look at that in a minute, and we get some sequins. And I have a little rogue butterfly here. I'm just going to open this little envelope so we can have a little peek. Oh, there's another one coming out there. So let's have a look. And I'll pop some into my hands. So we get some, there's little butterflies, little flowers, and then there's these little jewels. And I have to say, I recently picked up some nail embellishments from Amazon. You can see them here, and they're little jewels, and I have to say they're very similar. I wasn't going to use those jewels on my nails, but I thought I would use them in my paper crafting, and now look, we have some of them very similar to the ones I got on Amazon in our paper crafting. So I think that's going to be lovely. I know there's also some big butterflies in here. I'm just going to see if I can open this a little bit better. Yes, look, and lovely iridescent butterflies. Isn't that beautiful? So I have to say this sequence will make for a great shaker card, or just for embellishing our card project. So I love those, and we get a great sample pack in there. And those big butterflies aren't just in iridescent kind of a purple. There's a pinky one and a yellow one, a real mixed bag. I don't want to shake them all out there, but a lovely bag of sequins there. Next, I'm going to look in the magazine or the booklet. There's the lovely Chloe and one of her beautiful cards. You can download background papers, and there's a downloadable, as long as you're Papercraft Society recipient, you can download those. So there is a list of everything that comes in your box, and then we have some great card styles and ideas. So there's loads there. I know this box has been out for a while, so I'm sure nearly everyone has already received their booklet. I'm not going to go into looking too much at the inspiration, because that's the joy. Isn't that beautiful? Glynis is a fabulous crafter. I mean, the The design team members in this booklet are just fantastic. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there. That is our Papercraft Society box number 41 by Chloe, and I hope you are inspired by this box. So I'm going to leave it there, folks. Keep an eye on my channel. I will have a card coming using the products from this box. And until then, thanks for watching. Take care, stay safe, and bye for now. Bye-bye.